Balance is not found in stillness. It is maintained in motion. The Vitruvian Path was never meant to divide you. Earth, human, and heaven are one flow. Earth gives you strength. Human gives you purpose. Heaven gives you meaning. You are not walking three paths. You are learning to keep one rhythm. Every day becomes your temple. Every act sacred. Every breath alignment. Integration is the return, the remembering, to learn more, and to explore these ideas in depth. Visit our library of books, writings that walk deeper into these subjects.